I am Bini Sam, and I am here with
Sarah, Lim, SJ,
Leander.
Fatima.
Nick.
and welcome to our podcast/TikTok Live.
Yes.
Yep. Tonight we're going to talk all about pickleball, di ba? Pickleball and kung ano mang gusto nyong malaman. So, kung may mga questions kayo guys, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. So, for our first question guys, galing kay _Migmac. Do you guys have any superstitions before a big game or tournament?
There are some people who are like, oh, I'm only gonna use these shorts or these shoes, or like ayoko mag-change ng paddle kasi, or something like, so it doesn't even have to be anything with faith or whatever. It's just meron kang
Material, something.
oh, superstition.
I don't really have one, I think.
Routine meron. Pero dati, nagkaroon ako ng superstition na sa tennis pa to. Pero nadala ko rin sa pickleball at some point na kunyari yun yung ginamit kong paddle. Yun na yung gagamitin kong paddle sa simula hanggang matapos yung tournament. Sa day 1 hanggang ng last day, yun yung gagamitin kong paddle. Kasi parang sa isip ko, hiyang. Pero ngayon, tinatry ko na hindi maging ganun. Kasi ayoko maging dependent sa mga ganun.
True.
When I used to play tennis,
Hindi ako nagpalit ng racket. Alam mo yun? Mula high school hanggang
What?
I finished college. I did not change
Ano
my
racket
racket.
na gamit mo?
Rocket reveal.
Yung yellow na
Yung
head.
na flex point liquid metal.
Because ayokong, yun nga, like, feeling ko, mawawala ako or hindi ako sanay, laging may tournament or something like that, laging may training. But, I completely changed in pickleball. The more na nafe-feel ko, nagiging dependent ako sa isang bagay, pipilitin ko pang baguhin siya. Like, kunyari, nung nag-start ako mag-tour, pag may nakuha akong bagong paddle, I'm gonna use it. Like, hindi ako matatakot mag-change kaagad kahit it's a day before the tournament. Because I'm like, I'm not gonna be dependent on anything. Kunyari, nanalo ko ng magandang game. Tapos next day, maglalaro ulit ako. Papasok sa isip ko, gamitin ko kaya tong ipit ko bukas. Hindi, magbabago tayo ng ipit. Like, sinasadya ko talaga siya.
Ako before sa tennis, may colors akong iniiwasan pag may tournament ako sa age group. Ewan ko kung feel ko kasi minsan maganda yung laro ko sa kumare, naka-black ako. So eto lang yung susutin ko for the whole tournament. Ayoko nang may kulay na damit. Black lang talaga. Tapos meron din akong, di ba, sa tennis guys, kailangan may twin yung racket natin.
Oh, yeah.
May
Reserve. Tapos palagi yung mas maganda yung feel nung isa kaysa sa isa. So, ganun, ayaw kong gamitin yung isang racket na yun. Tapos sa pickleball din, may time na ganun ako. So, kahit sobrang baho na ng grip, basa, pero yun yung magandang palo ko na paddle. Yun yung gagamitin. Pero ngayon, hindi na ako ganun, guys. Nagpapalit na ako ng grip.
wala akong superstitions.
Wow.
I mean, I don't know. I don't really believe in those
Oh,
stuff.
well, ngayon hindi na ako naniniwala nga. Pero
Ako
back then, it was so mental for me.
It's more of like, if I slept good, then I woke up good, then I'll play good. That's more of like it, but not like material stuff where I, don't change battles. or
Pero may
something like
kwento ko, one time. Siyempre may routine tayo, di ba?
that. Oh.
Pero, tas gusto ko long warm-up, di ba? It's like me. Nung nag-MLP kami ni Ian, PPA kasabay yun. Sabi ko, Ian, kailangan na, kasi 9 o'clock yung start na matches. So, punta doon ng 8. Kailangan na mag-warm up ng 8. Tapos parang binibigyan niya ako ng stupid idea na sabi daw ng coach niya dati. Parang, so pag di ka naka-warm up, di ka na makakalaro ng maayos. Tapos parang ako, in my head, it doesn't make sense because all the good players warm up, right?
Yeah.
Pero parang sabi niya, dapat ready ka kahit sa ano. Well, that's your negligence and lack of discipline to not warm up before a match.
Kasi lagi ako sakto dumating.
Oh, yan. Dahil lang talaga late siya. Yun lang yun. So,
But it's also never early.
anyway, hindi nga kami nag-warm up ng matagal. Ang sama nung first match namin. Talo kami kagad. Sabi ko, di ko kayo uulitin. Kailangan natin talaga mag-warm up. Yes, dependent tayo sa warm up. Yes, dependent tayo sa warm up.
Ikaw, Kuya Sam,
Si Sam.
do you have any superstitions?
Yun lang. Ano yung gagamitin ko ng paddle day before, pag maganda yung performance ko, yun na talaga gagamitin ko. And then, pati yung grip.
Pati grip.
Pati grip.
Buti
Wala.
Buti na lang, hindi pawisin yung kamay. Kasi kung pawisin yung kamay ko,
Ako pawisin yung kamay ko,
kawawa naman
guys.
yung makaka-handshake ko.
Ano sinasabi mo? Kawawa ka ba? Pag ina-appear kita? Kawawa ka ba?
Hindi, nagpapalit ka kasi. Kaya nga, wala kang superstition. Kaya, yung may superstition. Yung may superstition.
The best ng host natin for today and for you. Sarah Joy Bernal.
Ate ko yan. Ang bias mo naman.
Kaya naman masyadong bias.
Malapit
Ang
na
bias
daw
mo
birthday
naman.
mo, ah.
Malapit. Kaya pala.
What do you feel leading up to a tournament?
So ako, depende sa tournament. Kapag yung tournament sa abroad, iba yung nararamdaman ko. Kapag dito sa local, iba din yung nararamdaman tsaka naisip ko. So pag more on abroad tournaments, mas free ako. Parang wala akong iniisip na expectations. Unlike kapag dito sa local, mas more on, alam ko namang ako lang yun, na mas more on baka iniisip ng ibang tao since nagtutour ako abroad or nananalo ako abroad, parang dapat manalo ako dito. Yun yung nasa isip ko. Kasi parang ako din yung nagsiset ng expectations. Well, partly parang iniisip ko din kasi kung paano pag matalo ako. Ano yung isipin ng ibang tao. Baka isipin nila hindi ako magaling or baka isipin nila whatever. So, nagiging burden ko siya usually. Pero napoprocess naman namin kami nagpo-process kami ng mga feelings namin, thoughts namin before the tournament. So, yun. Tsaka with the help of sa mga nagbabasa ako ng Bible, tsaka nag-attend ako ng mga service. So, mas naka-focus ako on what really matters. So, yun para sa akin, yun yung mga nangyayari leading up to the tournament.
Hirap naman ang question na yan.
For me, it depends on what I'm gonna do. Like, what's my role in the game. If I'm playing big, I get kinda anxious about it because I don't usually play big. So what I do is I talk to my partners. I tell them that I kind of feel anxious about it. And, I just wanted to know if they have expectations from me para hindi ako mag-overthink and alam ko kung ano lang yung gusto nilang gawin ko. And and I have them to talk about, like, to process those thoughts. Like, I could go up to Ate Sarah and be like, Ate, I kind of feel nervous or I kind of feel anxious because I'm playing left and I need to play big, which I'm not used to it. And I can also go to Nick and I would tell him, like, for our mixed doubles na I kind of feel like this for this player. What do you think I should do? And what do you expect of me during the match? It's more of those for me. And I'm glad na, because back in tennis, I don't get to open up about these kind of feelings. So now that I'm in a group of people who understands and goes through the same thing, I guess, we get to work on that. And we work on those thoughts.
Days leading up to the tournament. Sobrang stoked ako, guys. Na-excite ako. Kating-kati na talaga ako pumalo. Gusto ko nang mag-show dyan sa court. Tapos, bigla pag game day na, tapos first match, parang, uy, syemay, ito na pala yun. Kinakabahan, doon na ako nakakaramdam ng kaba. Takot ako mag-error. Takot ako magpapapagad. Kasi hindi ko nga pre-process before. Hindi ko siya pre-process. Na-excite ako. Hindi ko kailangan process to kasi laro lang ako, palong-palo na ako. Kaya pagdating sa game day, first match, doon talaga medyo malamig talaga yung kamay ko. Pero pag umokay naman, ay okay talaga.
Okay na, okay.
But usually I don't process it kasi di ako marunong mag-share na kung ano yung nasa isip ko ngayon. Kasi madalas wala akong iniisip masyado. Feelings hindi ko rin masyado ma-explain kasi hindi ko naiintindihan kung ano yung nararamdaman ko minsan. But pagdating sa game, alam ko kinakabahan ako. Pero dahil andito sila, nagbibigay sila ng strength.
Relax naman.
Lakas ng loob para itaguyod every game.
Yung pinag-uusapan namin is what are our thought process leading up to a tournament. Not man super recently, pero di ba I've been working a lot on the mental stuff. You know, I do that a lot. Pero naalala ko yung mga moments ko dati sa tennis. Hindi talaga ako makatulog days leading up to a tournament because sobrang na-anxious ako. Na hindi ko na-realize was because of how I grew up in youth sports. Pero college na yun eh. Parang leading up to, let's say, UAAP. Hindi talaga ako makatulog the days before. Kasi inisip ko, paano ko matalo ako. Yun lang inisip ko, paano ko matalo ako. Wala na akong ibang iniisip. And it doesn't just naturally go away with time. You really have to process it. Parang in pickleball now, ang dami ko nang ginawang processing through the years. Not just in pickleball, pero also sa obstacle racing. So, it's so much better now. Pero if I'm not intentional in processing, bumabalik ako sa what if matalo ako? What if ang sama ng laro ko? What if sunod-sunod yung mali ko? Anong sasabihin ng tao? Yung mga ganon. Mag-spiral ako sa ganong thoughts. So, ngayon, parang tinatry ko leading up to a tournament. Pag nakaramdam ako ng any sort of jitters, isusulat ko na kagad yun. Ipaprocess ko na kagad yun. Kailangan ko siyang mahalungkat at sabihin, saan ba ito nanggagaling? Pero like Leander, I don't get too jittery anymore in international tournaments. So, sobrang dami-naming talo. Sanay na kami dyan.
Totoo. Parang wala naman na-expect manalo. Parang gugulat ako.
Excited ako kasi parang alam ko naman yung level namin. We know we can beat good people. It's always like who can show up and deliver on game day. Lagi naman kaming naka-main draw, at least quarters sa PPA. Pero never ako nape-pressure na, kailangan main draw ulit. Parang kasi feeling ko nga, wala naman akong expectations sa sarili ko. But pag local, doon ako medyo nami-mental. Na kailangan ko talaga siyang i-process. Like Ian, parang feeling ko may expectation sa amin locally. Feeling ko. Hindi lang naman feeling ko. Kasi some people would say, kunyari sa Amurap, wow, laki ng iuwi nyo. Parang, wait lang ha, hindi pa nga sure kung kami yung mananalo. Parang, bina-verbalize din nila na, sure naman kayo mananalo dyan sure naman kayo mananalo dyan, right?
Yeah.
So, there really are expectations. Saka tanggap ko naman na may expectations. Pero feeling ko hindi ako doon nami-mental eh. Feeling ko nami-mental ako sa mga taong gusto akong talunin tapos feeling ko makikita ko sa internet. Pagkatapos, parang, tinalo ko si Sarah, Pero ganoon talaga.
Parang gagamitin nila for their ego.
Oo, but, also, pag inisip ko din, ganun talaga eh. Pag tinalo ko si Annalie Waters, syempre, lalagay ko, di ba? Tinalo ko si Annalie Waters. Anyone naman who are at the top of their game, meron ka talagang target. Like, you are people's targets. So, I think I just have to accept it na parang, you're the person to beat. Everyone wants to beat you, and you just have to accept it. Kung matalo ka, they've been working at it. Alright? So, I think,
Good point.
yeah, everyone wants to be.
There are days talaga na sabihin natin, sama talaga ng laro mo today. Wala tayong magagawa.
Wala magagawa.
Wala.
I feel like kailangan lang talaga hindi ako ma-attach sa title. Kasi pag na-attach ka sa title, dun ka hindi tatanggap ng talo.
Yep.
At dun ka kakabahan at dun kang matatakot matalo. Kasi ang isipin mo lagi, hindi na ako top. hindi na ako number 1. Hindi na ako ganyan. So what? That's not why we started pickleball anyway, di ba? So, ako nang sabihin sarili sa akin.
Remind.
Remind.
Yeah, kasi nga parang before, di ba, nag-pickleball naman tayo. Nag-enjoy lang naman tayo. Tapos nung nanalo na tayo, biglang may pinoprotect na.
Yeah.
So parang naalis tayo dun sa environment na parang free lang, manalo, matalo, basta enjoy, basta nag-i-improve.
Lumalayo tayo sa reason on why we love the game.
Why we
Why we
started.
started.
Why
in
we
the
started
first
it.
place.
Yeah.
Wow, kasi we love pickleball so much. Naalala ko yung isang tournament ko sa PPA, partner ko si Aiko. Kalaban namin si Sarah Burr, tapos si Nicolas Schumann. So, 3 sets kami nun. Pero in the middle of the game, tumawa ako. Sabi ko, whew, I love pickleball. Sobrang ganda kasi nung laro namin. Pareho nun. Ang sarap lang ang ganong feeling. You remind yourself, you love the game. You love the grind. You love the pressure. You love the figuring it out.
Chris, thought process before.
Leading up to the tournament, I just tried not to think about it. Kasi,
Mga talaga ako.
kasi pag,
Ganito po kasi yun. Introvert kaming tatlo. Kaya medyo nag-iisip kami, ano nasa-feel ko? Eh, sila extrovert.
wala.
May napipil ako pero mamaya na yan.
Yun nga eh, kasi pag iniisip ko na yung laro, ayun, kakabahan ako. So, might as well not think about it. Diba? Tapos kung ando na talaga sa laro, pag napapawisan na ako, wala na akong nararamdaman na kaba. So, free na. So, yun. Hindi ko lang talaga iniisip. Kasi pag iniisip ko siya, nag-overthink ako. Pag nag-overthink, ayun, kaba si
The
Juisa.
mind of an extrovert.
Yeah, ganun lang.
Inside
Tapos,
the mind.
pag kinakabahan talaga, wala, pray lang. Then, kung ano mang mangyari, ayun, nangyari na. Wala akong magagawa dyan. Okay.
Alright,
See?
basa tayo ng
Live.
comments ngayon, guys.
Basa mo na, guys.
Comments. Shoutout po sa Palo Palo Malabon. Watching po kami ngayon with Coach Rod.
Oh, pinapanood.
Pinapanood ka ni Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
My dad since birth
Tama
daw,
yan.
sabi ni Kuya Ian. My dad since birth, sabi ni Kuya Leander Lazaro. Happy birthday po
Happy birthday.
from Aboyog Pickle Bees. Kay Kizzy and PJT from Team Bibu.
Bebu.
Bebu.
Message dito.
Sabi.
Pa-shoutout daw si
You
You
won.
won. Hi,
You
Yuan.
won. You
Kaso
won.
mo?
You won.
Hindi.
Hindi daw na paddle recently.
Olo, Dati Sarah.
Sorry, Yuan. Pero Yuan kasi yung pangalan ng isang. Pasensya ka na.
Yun lang.
Pero shoutout na rin.
Ito po.
Hello, Yuan.
Hi, Yuan.
Saka,
Next question.
How to stay calm during competitions.
So, naka-depende kasi din yung staying calm during competitions based on how you prep before the competition. Meron kaming ginagawa ni Ian bago mag-tournament. It's called pre-acceptance. So, pre-accepting all possible outcomes. You pre-accept you might play bad. You pre-accept you might lose. You pre-accept may magtataunt. You pre-accept na may manggugulo, magma-mind games. Especially kung kilala nyo na yung mga kalaban nyo tsaka yung mga tendencies, di ba? Mas meron kayong opportunity to pre-accept yung mga possible na mangyayari. Tapos, pagdating nyo dun, hindi na kayo magugulat. Pag kunyari, nag-error kayo, in-accept ko na possible yan.
describing a single person.
Uy, wala akong sinasabi, guys. So, pag nandun na kayo, kunyari nag-error kayo ng 3 beses, pag-usapan nyo, so tell yourself, I
Lesson
pre-accepted this, but I will keep fighting. So, hindi ka lang basta-basta give up dahil merong things that you are not going your way. You pre-accept things that won't go your way. Para when it does happen, you're still calm. You're not shaken.
okay, yun yung next question natin. Ano yung pre-acceptance nyo dito sa Lawag Tournament? Ako,
Hindi ako calm.
parang yun na rin yung sagot.
Yun nga.
Sinagot niya. Kasi,
she answered everything.
well, mas confident din kasi ako
Sabi ni
na
Dan.
Ah.
Sam,
Sam, tawag ka Sam.
Tawag ka.
Grabe ka naman Dan.
Well, ako confident ako kasi sa training na ginagawa namin. And alam ko sa sarili ko na yun, pinuput in namin yung work. Tapos confident kami na kahit anong mangyari, ilang beses na kami napunta sa situation na to. Naka-adjust kami. Ay.
Scratch.
So yun, ilang beses na kami napunta sa ganong situation, naka-adjust kami. Minsan natalo kami. Ganun. Madalas, nakakalabas tayo sa situation na ganun. And yun nga, okay lang naman din sa amin, na pre-accept ko na kung matatalo kami. So yun yung nagpapakalma sa akin and mas nagbibigay sa akin ng peace of mind, mas free ako pag ganun.
How do you stay calm before?
I'm not the right guy.
So, like what
Same.
Ate Sarah said, I pre-accept the results that I might lose, and it gives me the assurance that it's okay to make errors. Kasi manalo or matalo, I accepted it already, and I'm ready for it, despite anything that could happen in the game. And like also what Kuya Ian said, na we've been in tough situation and we still managed to adjust and get out of it. So that, and it's more of yun nga, na hindi mo nga tinatay yung identity mo to titles or wins or whatever. It's like you just have to remind yourself now you play this game because you love it. You know, you enjoy it. So
Yep, enjoy.
you can make mistakes, you can learn from it, you can lose, and you'll still do better next time. So before a tournament, I stay calm because I also don't expect so much from myself. That like if I played well, then I played well. If I did not, then someone was playing better and someone was having a better day. So yeah, that's all my thoughts, to stay calm. And I just have to remind myself that I got this. May palo sila, may palo rin ako. Mabilis sila, mabilis rin ako. So it's more of that, like that for me. I talk to myself during matches. I'm sure Ate Sarah heard it. Like I tell myself, stay in there, or you got this, and all that.
I'm not the right person. I'm still working on it.
Ako, ini-enjoy ko lang yung laro. Kung ano mangyari, okay.
Mukha ka naman kalmado sa court. Mukha ka naman kalmado sa court.
Tinatry ko lang talaga i-enjoy. Yun nga eh. Pag manalo, thank you. Pag hindi, thank you pa rin. Yun lang.
Thank you for the experience.
Yeah,
Yep,
thank you for the
Yung
lesson.
sabi nila, it's either you win or you learn.
Next.
Ano yung sinabi mo?
Ano yung mga pre-acceptance natin this week? Kasi may tournament kami tomorrow, starting tomorrow dito sa Lawag. Ano guys kada tournament, iba-iba kami ng nararamdaman. Kahit na na-solve na namin siya ng previous tournament, may mararamdaman pa rin kami this tournament. So, continuous process.
This is very similar actually to Amorap, diba? It's kind of the same people.
Just different pairing.
Different pairings lang. Pero obviously, pre-acceptance yung matalo. Pre-accept. Mas pa matalo. Pre-accept ko na ngayon pa lang. Pre-accept. Pre-accept. Actually, hindi ko pa masyadong pinroses yung may pre-accept.
Process mo na ngayon.
Sige, kung meron kayong sagot, sagutin nyo na.
Sige, ano na lang. Uy, pag may naisip ka.
Sige.
Kung meron na kayong pre-accept, sabihin nyo na.
I already pre-accepted that I might lose. I also pre-accepted that I might make mistakes since I'm playing left, and I know that I don't usually play big, so accepted ko na yun, and I know I'm not gonna blame myself for those mistakes. And I've also talked to my partner about it. I told her that I'm not expecting so much from myself, but I will keep trying my best. I'll stay in there. I'll make her feel that I'm also fighting for it. And yeah, I accepted na I could possibly have a bad day, or I could have a good day and, make upsets. But that's it. That's what
Ngayon mo lang na.
Hindi siya counter. Wala akong maisip na pre-acceptance ba? Yung parang, yung masasagot ko lang kung ano yung goal ko this tournament. Parang ganun. Yung goal ko lang this tournament talaga is yung i-improve yung partnership namin ni Ralph saka ni Ate Tony kasi hindi lang kasi hanggang dito yung partnership namin sa mga ibang tournaments pa. Tapos yun, kung hindi man manalo, as long as mag-improve lang yung partnership namin, may basta may improvement kami
So, yun
as a peso, yun na. Yun lang.
Hindi siya manalo, basta may
Yun yung focus ko. Bonus na lang pag manalo, of course. Hirap nito, Nick. Parang lugi tayo. Lugi tayo.
Lugi tayo mga hindi masyado nag-iisip.
Kala ko moderator lang ako dito.
Ako,
Naisip ko, magbabasa lang ako ng mga questions. Ano?
after kasi ng last match natin sa Amora, parang everyone's expecting na lahat ng counter ko ganun talaga. Na kaya kong lumipad habang nagka-counter. So ako, tinatry kong hindi pumasok sa utak ko yun kasi gagawin ko talaga yun pag nasa court ako. Lilipad ako. So ngayon pa lang nag-accept na ako na baka hindi ko yun maulit lahat yung shots na yun. And it's okay. Pero kailangan kong maghanap ng paraan na ano naman yung matutulong ko during sa match namin, sa next match. So, ina-accept ko na kung hindi man pumasok yung counters ko, diding ko na lang. Diding ko na lang, reset ko na lang. Hindi ko pa napaprocess yung... Kung matalo man kami, okay lang, pero kailangan mahirapan muna sila bago matalo. Yan yung wino-work ko na mindset ngayon, guys. So before, pag natalo kami, wala na. Natalo na talaga. Ngayon, di ako papayag na hindi kayo mahirapan.
Yeah. 100%. I'm excited for your men's matches too. Kasi madaming pumunta dito na hindi pumunta ng Amorap.
Actually.
So I'm excited for your men. So women's parang same.
Tsaka may bagong pairs nga.
yeah.
Mga interesting pairs.
Yeah, I'm excited for your men's game. Don't worry, we'll be with you guys. Ako, pre-accept lang talaga losing. Pre-accept na there might be points na hindi kami as smooth ni Lauren because it's our second time to partner.
First time here playing locally.
First time playing locally. Pre-accept. Medyo chill lang si Lauren. Kasi natalo na rin naman siya locally ilang beses. So parang chill lang siya. She doesn't expect anything either. So we're just gonna fight. I'm actually confident in our partnership kasi madami siyang nagagawa na hindi ko kayang gawin eh. So, tsaka meron din ako nagagawa hindi niya gawin. So parang feeling ko we're both just complement. We just complement each other so well. But again, I accept that even if there may be unforeseen things that may happen, like losing. And it's fine. I have a chill partner. It helps that you have a chill partner. So, mixed doubles, I'm actually pretty excited kasi nga may mga bagong tao akong makakalaban ulit that I haven't played against in a long time. Red, I haven't played him in a tournament. Davis, I haven't played him in a tournament since 2024. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited.
Partner niya.
Guys, basta kung matalo kami, talo kami. That's fine. We'll still be the same people. Novi Davis because Kim and Macy are partnering.
Okay, so that's why they were practicing.
Yeah, so exciting pairings going on. But what really helps actually is pag friends kayo lahat. Although not everyone is like so comfortable with each other, pero kanina naman we were able to say hi to most of the people. Like, yeah, I think when you're comfortable and you have a good relationship with people, it's really fine. So yun, pre-accept losing, pre-accept some things may not go our way, but regardless, I'll just keep playing pickleball.
Yeah. Same din. Pre-accept na pwedeng matalo. Pwede kami matalo tomorrow. As a Saturday. Pwedeng masama yung laro ko. Pwedeng masama laro ng partner ko. And alam ko din na always kaya namin gumawa and humahanap ng solusyon. mag-adjust. So, dun ako pinaka parang confident na kahit mas gaano kasama to, kaya namin tong lusutan.
Yeah. I'm more confident in the work that we have put in. It's not confidence to win.
Yes.
It's confidence that whatever you give to me on court, I will find a solution to it. And I'm not gonna give up. Like, I'm confident in myself, I'm confident in Lauren, and I'm confident in you. Now, when a problem is presented to us, hindi lang tayo mag-fold.
Mag-a-adjust kami na mag-a-adjust hanggang matalo nyo kami. Gagawin namin lahat ng pwede namin gawin. Kung matalo nyo talaga, galing nyo. Good job talaga.
Yeah.
Congrats. I mean, you deserve it.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, syempre.
We're gonna give you a hard-ass time.
We're not saying na hindi niya kami kayang talunin.
Oh, I mean, of course, kaya namin sinasabi yun kasi talagang posible nyo kami
Oo.
talunin.
Accept naman namin na pwede
Accept
kami
namin.
matalo. Pero yun nga, hindi kami give up. No way. Not in my vocabulary.
No way, Jose.
Okay, shoutout muna.
Yung ka-dormmate ni Kuya Sam.
Yung ka-dormate ni Kuya Sam,
Dan Aradaza.
Dan Aradaza. Dan.
Shout out to Kwon Chua.
Hi, Kwon Chua.
Kwon.
Shout
Kwon.
out. Kwon.
Bini Sam.
May nagtatanong sa inyo dito, yung sa IG niya. Ikaw, walang nagtatanong.
Nagtatanong.
Yeah, yung sa
Camera.
Ah,